Jutsu! That's not right! Oh.
It is right.
Why me? Are you sure about that? Who are you people? Ah!
I'd rather not have
Sasuke!
Eric, I ran the guy with the club with the nail through it.
Oh well.
Wait a minute, weren't you the same guy that was like the bouncer and the cop out?
Why the hell do I even remember you?
Because the costume problem. I don't think so. Not to my knowledge.
Why am I remembering a bouncer? I'm trying to remember what happened these days.
Yeah, no, I don't remember throwing anybody out.
Alright, well, I was there. Now I remember. I was trying to get everyone to pick the dance, and I yelled at you to get there all the time.
Again, this is dispatch. Yeah, they are. Need that?
Why are you so weird? Reverse! Go away, go away, go away!
Yes.
What did I do?
You told us not to what?
Should I shut it?
We are out. We are
cut that
just
out.
as hot.
Did anybody else have traffic? I just remember somebody walking someone over someone else.
What?
Anyone else have traffic?
You won't be getting far, not with me.
Excuse me. I'm not done. Oh, that's the last name, but I don't care. Is it just me or do I feel crazy?
I sure hate to be you right now.
What'd I do? Bye-bye. These bad guys.
Sasuke-kun!
Sasuke! Why did you kill them? We are
We are justice.
Just tell me when you're done.
Done.